Most embroidery machines on Amazon are overpriced hobby kits that jam after a few stitches. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Are you tired of guessing which machine actually handles thick fabrics and dense designs? This video will guide you to the right choice without the guesswork. Today, I'm going to be going over the best embroidery machine that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the FUJA Embroidery Machine. From the outset, this machine positions itself as a reliable partner for small businesses and beginners seeking professional, scalable embroidery results. Its compact profile and sturdy chassis suggest durability in busy studios, while a thoughtfully designed control panel enhances everyday usability. Equipped with 10 needles, the machine handles multiple thread colors in a single pass, reducing color changes and boosting production efficiency. A maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute translates into faster throughput and reliable turnaround on larger runs. Its embroidery area measures 9.5 by 14.2 inches, offering ample space for larger designs. A 7-inch color touchscreen makes pattern editing intuitive, simplifying machine management and reducing the time needed for adjustments. Built with auto color changing and auto thread trimming, it reduces manual intervention while maintaining consistent embroidery speed. A self-lubrication system minimizes maintenance intervals, maintaining smooth operation and reducing wear on moving parts during long production days. Laser embroidery positioning guides placements with precision, enabling accurate baseline alignment for hats, patches, and intricate cap designs. Complete starter kit and comprehensive training packages are included, with manuals, videos, and ongoing technical support to help beginners grow. Compared with traditional single-needle machines, this 10-needle FUJ model delivers greater design flexibility, faster production, and scalable business potential. The pros include excellent stitch quality, exceptionally high needle count, and a comprehensive starter kit that accelerates early business growth. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 4, we have the Brother SE700. From the moment you unbox the unit, it communicates a friendly, approachable intention aimed at newcomers and hobbyists seeking combined sewing and embroidery. Its layout invites effortless navigation with clearly labeled controls and a generous workspace that encourages experimentation across patterns, stitches, and lettering. The exterior presents a clean white finish complemented by sturdy internal components, delivering lasting durability for daily use and ambitious creative sessions. Compact enough for home studios yet robust in operation, the design balances portability with a stable base to minimize movement during heavy stitching. The embroidery field spans 4 by 4 inches, providing a comfortable area for small to medium designs without crowding the needle area. With 135 built-in designs and 10 embroidery fonts, the Brother SE700 unlocks substantial creative variety for personalizing projects. The touchscreen measures 3.7 inches, offering on-screen editing, live previews, and intuitive controls to streamline adjustments. An automatic needle threader eliminates fumbling at the needle eye, and the drop and top bobbin simplifies reloading during sessions. Wireless LAN compatibility lets you transmit embroidery files from a PC or via the Artspira app, enabling seamless wireless workflows. In practical sewing tests, stitch quality remained even across fabric types, with minimal thread breaks and smooth feed motion during long runs. Embroidery performance demonstrated reliable pattern alignment, consistent size scaling, and respectable speed without excessive vibration on medium-weight textiles. In a head-to-head with the Brother P800, the Brother SE700 blends sewing and embroidery with wireless transfer. The pros include versatile sewing and embroidery capabilities, an expansive catalog of built-in designs, and reliable, convenient wireless transfer. The cons include a steeper learning curve for beginners and a higher price point compared with entry-level machines. At number 3, we have the Smartstitch S-1001. Its compact size and lightweight make it ideal for small studios and home workshops, especially when spaces are at a premium. The enclosure hosts new physical buttons, a laser embroidery positioning system, and a self-lubrication design to reduce maintenance. Equipped with 10 needles and automatic thread trimming plus auto color changing, it speeds up multicolor embroidery with predictable results. The maximum speed reaches 1,200 stitches per minute, enabling faster production while maintaining stitch quality through the machine's stable architecture. A 7-inch touchscreen streamlines navigation, while the 9.5 by 14.2-inch embroidery area covers most standard designs. Complete training manuals and videos accompany the purchase, with online assistance from experienced engineers ensuring a smooth onboarding and minimal downtime. The machine accepts DST and DSB files from a computer over USB or Wi-Fi, enabling seamless file transfer and batch production workflows. Users can join the Smartstitch Embroidery Machine Club for peer guidance, while official staff provide prompt troubleshooting and maintenance advice. The design emphasizes reduced noise and a stable frame, simplifying maintenance while ensuring consistent stitch output across diverse fabrics. In real-world testing, operators reported reliable color changes and needle control during complex designs, reflecting the improved auto-color system. Compared to a leading Brother embroidery machine, this Smartstitch model offers 10 needles, larger embroidery area, and faster multi-color capability. The pros include sturdy build, comprehensive color automation, and an extensive starter pack that accelerates initial setup for new users. The cons include higher price compared to entry-level machines and a need for dedicated space due to its footprint in small shops. At number 2, we have the Brother PE5. This embroidery-only device emphasizes wireless LAN connectivity and convenient file transfers via USB, enabling seamless design transfers from a PC. The machine ships with a 4x4-inch embroidery field and includes a compatible hoop, supporting compact projects with consistent stitch quality. Its large 3.7-inch color touchscreen allows precise drag and drop positioning, edits, and real-time previews before stitching begins. With 135 built-in designs and 10 fonts, users can instantly personalize text styles from monograms to heirloom embellishments. Additionally, built-in memory supports USB import so you can transfer designs from memory sticks directly, expanding creative possibilities beyond the included library. In practice, setup is straightforward for beginners while offering enough control for advanced users to customize patterns with precise placement. This model is designed purely for embroidery and does not function as a traditional sewing machine, simplifying the user experience. This model is intended for United States power at 120 volts 60 Hz, and using it abroad could void the warranty. In real-world testing, setup time remains moderate, yet drag and drop editing with live previews significantly shortens the design-to-stitch cycle. Compared with a rival all-in-one sewing and embroidery machine, the PE545 excels in embroidery while lacking sewing versatility. The pros include compact footprint, wireless file transfer, and a large color touchscreen. The cons include embroidery-only functionality and a strict US voltage requirement. Its enclosure blends durable materials with a compact footprint, making it a practical choice for small studios, craft rooms, or home desks. In testing, stitch quality remained consistent across fabrics, while the interface consistently delivered accurate patterns with minimal manual adjustments. At number 1, we have the Brother PE900. For hobbyists and small studios, the Brother P900 embroidery machine with LAN presents an approachable setup and clear on-screen controls. Its target audience appreciates a straightforward transfer workflow, wireless design file sharing, and a generous embroidery field that accommodates larger motifs. Build quality feels solid with robust materials and thoughtful hardware layout that reduce wobble during steady stitching sessions and accessor changes. 5x7-inch embroidery field expands design possibilities, and the 7.4-inch clearance from needle to arm eases bulky fabrics. The internal layout prioritizes serviceability, with a clean access area for thread paths and a stable USB port for optional upgrades. A full-color touchscreen measures 3.7 inches and enables on-screen editing, resizing, rotating, and precise design repositioning. Artspear mobile app unlocks 50 free embroidery designs, and you can draw patterns on a phone to transfer them wirelessly. Wireless LAN enables simple design transfers from a PC via design database transfer or through the built-in USB port. 193 built-in designs offer immediate stylistic options, including scrollwork, florals, and quilt motifs, along with 13 fonts for personalization. The onboard screen also supports on-screen letter editing, enhanced zoom, resizing, rotating, repositioning, and combining multiple designs for quick iterations. Advanced color sort prioritizes efficient stitching order to minimize color changes, while jump stitch trimming automatically trims excess threads for a cleaner finish. In practical testing, transfers occur quickly over wireless and designs load with minimal lag, keeping workflow smooth for long sessions. Compared to the Brother PE800, the PE900 offers a larger embroidery field and wireless workflow at a higher price. The pros include a truly large embroidery field that expands design options, reliable wireless transfers that speed setup, and an intuitively responsive touchscreen. The cons include a higher price and embroidery-only functionality, which could deter buyers seeking a combined sewing option.